Yes, so hello guys and welcome back to the channel once again. So in today's video we'll be talking about the ultimate football betting tips that will improve your betting strategy. These strategies are made for any strategy that you have. This will enable you to increase the strategy based on the details that I'm about to share with you. The first one is the corner strategy, which I already made a full video on this channel. And then one of the best league for the corner strategy is La Liga. Yes, we have La Liga for corner strategy. We have Serie A for strategy, and then we have the Premier League as well for this same strategy. These two strategies work hand to hand. Now let me show you one dear example of these kind of strategies. Now if you go to La Liga straightforward, these are the things you need to look up for. Now look at a high scoring team against a low ranked team. For example, Girona is not a low ranked team, but compared to Barcelona is ahead of it. And at the same time, you can use Atletico Madrid versus Valencia. So now let's do this in real mathematics. Before we go deep into that, let's take a look at our VIP group for yesterday. Now if you are opening my WhatsApp right here, straight up to my VIP group, truth be untold, yesterday Liverpool actually spoiled our main ticket of the day. Then I came back to said we have a night game, so they should stay tuned. Somebody came back to said, was this a correct score? I mean, our game spoiled by Liverpool. So I came back in the later in the evening to drop them these predictions, as you can see over here, that Inter Miami to win 3-1 or 2-1, which is a very good prediction. And trust me, at the end of it, this is the result of that same game. You can look at the odds, everything. So congratulations to the VIP members once again. We did it. You can see the time game was posted and the time game was played, and the time I also posted the results. There are a lot of people in the VIP group who can testify to that. So if you are still interested in the VIP group, the reason for making this video is not about to influence you, but to share updates about the VIP group. So far so good. It has been 15 days now. Today is day 15th of the VIP group, and I can guarantee you that out of 15, we lost only 2 days out of it. So we have 13 out of 15 before half of the month here. So that is the update about the VIP group. Yeah, so for those of you that still wanted to pay now, you can pay half of the registration fee to join, because we've already consumed half of the month already. So if you're in Ghana now, you have to pay 250 Ghana cedis to join. If you're in Nigeria, it's 25k. For other country, your price will be converted directly into dollar for you to access. So you can still go to the video description and send me a direct WhatsApp message over there to give you details about it, or you can click in the video description to join directly using the link. All right, let's get back to the video. Now, since we'll be using Girona, Barcelona, and also Atletico Madrid versus Valencia, let's dive straight to it. So we have today over here. Let's go straight to La Liga. La Liga was in Spain. So let's scroll down to Spain. Okay. Once we are on Spain here, let's look for La Liga. Yeah, so we have 4 good matches over here: Girona, Barcelona, Atletico Madrid versus Valencia. Now if I click on this game, this is the first thing that we are going to take a look at. Okay, now let's go to the head-to-head, the number of times they've met. So the last match meeting in this group, Girona actually showed Shaggy to Barcelona. Now click on the match. When it load up, go to statistics. Once you go to statistics, take a look at the corner. Always know that with the corner, we are always going for over 7.5. So combining 4 plus 5, you have 9, which is 8.5 for corner. So you can see last match was successful. Now you go to last 2 match, go to statistics again, you check corner range, we have 8-3, giving you a total of 11. Remember, we are only looking for 7.5 odds, 7.5 corner, which we now have over 10.5. So comparing them, even the one thing about corner is a team doesn't need to win. Take a look at another one over here, 12-2, making it 14, while we are looking for only 8 corners. You understand? So you see how corner prediction with the over 7.5 actually working for Barcelona and Girona. The same thing will apply to Atletico Madrid versus the other team, because one team is an attacking team. Now you go to their statistic, you check corner kick, you can see we have 9, which when we are looking for 8, a good one. We have another one here. When the small team win, it give you more room for corner. When the small team win, it give more room for corner. This is 13, where we are looking for just 8. So you see, this is how to predict over 7.5 corner, picking small ranked team or the middle table team against first ranking teams to give you better idea. I don't know if you understand this video clearly, but the point I'm trying to make is if you can bet on corner games 7.5 for at least 5 matches in La Liga every day or in every weekend, you will never lose bet. That is what I'm trying to say. See you all in my next video. Kindly do subscribe, share, and drop in the comment section your opinion about these games.